Delhi elections are coming up. 11 candidates have been announced as we sit right now today of the Aam Aadmi Party, out of which 6 are defectors, either of the BJP and the Congress. आपका reason of existence ही ये था ना कि we are not them. So you don't think that dilutes the brand?
No, not at all. At the end of the day, चुनाव जीतना भी बहुत जरूरी है.
What is AAP's identity? Because you can't say development.
ये कटेंगे तो बटेंगे, ये सब हमें नहीं करना है. We are very clear about that. अगर हमारा देश के संविधान में ये लिखा हुआ है कि हर किसी को एक अच्छी जिंदगी जीने का अधिकार है, वो हमारी आइडेंटिटी है ना.
सब दे रहे हैं ना.
वो कौन दे रहा है बताओ ना. 70 साल बाद
प्रॉमिस तो सबका है ना.
प्रॉमिस कब कर रहे हैं ना. हमारा डिफरेंस वो है ना, हमने डिलीवरी किया है ना. क्योंकि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी खुद एक इंजीनियर हैं और उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं, मैं दिल्ली की बिजली फिक्स करूंगा. बिजली
खुद उन्होंने स्क्रू ड्राइवर से फिक्स किया.
अरे एक ट्रांसफार्मर
उन्होंने मैकेनिकल की थी क्या आईआईटी में.
उन्होंने आईआईटी में मैकेनिकल ही किया है.
इलेक्ट्रिकल. ये तो वही बात हो गई ना, दैट राजीव गांधी इज रिस्पांसिबल फॉर कंप्यूटर्स कमिंग टू इंडिया. कंप्यूटर्स आर कम टू इंडिया विद राजीव गांधी वाज देयर और नॉट.
जहां आप दिल्ली में रह रहे हैं सर्वोदय एन्क्लेव में, यहाँ पे पावर कट होता है आपका? नहीं होता है ना.
कभी
जनरेटर लगाया हुआ आपने, जो जनरेटर इन्वर्टर का धंधा खत्म हो गया.
आपने तो कर दिया ना. पोल्यूशन एरिया अलाउड ही नहीं, रख भी ले जनरेटर, हम ऑन ही नहीं कर सकते. Today in our studio we are joined by the national spokesperson and the secretary for Delhi for the Aam Aadmi Party, Reena Gupta. Welcome, thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
On a day where the AQI is at merely very unhealthy levels, which is 300 or so. Have we reached such a level of polarization that on something that is, equal for all, governments can't come together to solve this?
दिल्ली में जो है 70% दिल्ली की पॉल्यूशन दिल्ली के बाहर से आती है, आउटसाइड द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव बाउंड्री ऑफ दिल्ली स्टेट. तो अगर दिल्ली जैसे हरियाणा से आ रही है, यूपी से आ रही है, पंजाब से आ रही है, तो जब तक आप वो सारी सरकारों को साथ में नहीं लाएंगे, आप कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं?
Understood.
आप जिन फार्मर्स ने आग नहीं लगाई उनको आप इंसेंटिवाइज करिए. वी हैड रीच्ड एन अमाउंट आल्सो. हर साल दर साल जो बच्चे हमारा फ्यूचर जनरेशन जो खराब हवा जिसमें सांस लेता है, उसको आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. लेकिन आपको पता है कि किस तरह की विंडिक्टिव पॉलिटिक्स चल रही है.
Is there scope in politics of today that everything need not be combative? Can there be a collaboration? Can you imagine the Chief Minister of Delhi, Atishi, and LG Saxena sitting together and saying, okay, let's sort this out?
Do you think it's only Delhi? Look at the other opposition ruled states, no? Look at what's happening to West Bengal. Look at what's happening to Tamil Nadu. Anywhere where it's not BJP government in the state, their funds are being denied. When was it in the last time in the history of the country you saw opposition state?
If you drive from our office to any place towards central Delhi, you will see so many bastis where there's just children sitting along the road in the morning and defecating. Whose responsibility is that?
I mean, I don't know which area you're talking about.
But, I mean, I can tell you, if you go from here to Mehrauli, if you go from here to R.K. Puram, if you go from here to even towards the central Delhi Lodi estate, you'll pass a few bastis where you'll see it in the morning, not at this time.
As you know that land is again a central subject. So if you want more land to build more toilets, or we want to be able to build more bastis, provide more low-income housing for people so that they're not homeless, that again comes under the DDA and the central government, and they've not been so cooperative.
Is anyone taking the first step, or because Aam Aadmi Party was the offshoot of combatants, that is in their DNA? Getting along with people is not in the DNA.
The issue is with Bharatiya Janata Party. और मुझे लग रहा है कि देश के लोग देख रहे हैं इस बात को. We saw the result of that in the last Lok Sabha elections, right? They didn't do so well as they were predicting कि 400 पार लेके जाएंगे.
But they still won. Because the numbers do come down. Like AAP was 67, then 63. This time, how many do you predict?
I think इस बार तो पूरी 70 आने वाली है.
Development is not, everyone wants development, no? It's not going to say, we will make everyone speak Tamil, but we will not fix your schools, college, nala, pani. That is a given. That cannot be your identity. Do you think AAP lacks that?
अगर हमारा देश के संविधान में ये लिखा हुआ है कि हर किसी को एक अच्छी जिंदगी जीने का अधिकार है, वो हमारी आइडेंटिटी है ना.
सब दे रहे हैं ना.
वो कौन दे रहा है बताओ ना. 70 साल बाद
प्रॉमिस तो सबका है ना.
प्रॉमिस कब कर रहे हैं ना. हमारा डिफरेंस वो है ना, हमने डिलीवरी किया है ना. मोदी जी का कोई सा भी आप मुझे एक भी उदाहरण दे दीजिए जो उन्होंने कहा और उन्होंने उस पर डिलीवर किया.
I can actually give you answers to that.
हाँ बताइए.
I mean, because a lot of people have done a lot of things in different ways. There are grays. But I'm talking about party identity cannot be that. I mean, can you go with that model to, let's say, UP or Himachal Pradesh? And you guys have fought election in all these states. You didn't
We
get-
are going with that identity.
But
We are
is it
saying जो
working at
देश
all?
का
Is it
संविधान है,
working?
it will work. It'll take time.
आपने 2013 में you joined the party. You were with the World Bank before that.
जी जी.
तो आपने क्यों ज्वाइन की थी पार्टी?
तो शुरू से मेरे दिमाग में ये जज्बा तो था कि देश के लिए कुछ करना है, फॉर ग्रेटर कॉमन गुड कुछ करना है, पर कभी भी वो एक मीडियम नहीं रहा कि किस तरह से कुछ करा जा सकता
कब
है.
वर्ल्ड बैंक पहुंच गए?
नहीं तो उसके बाद सुनिए ना, सुनिए पूरी कहानी सुनिए.
But did you know that in 2003, exactly when you were in the World Bank, that was actually Arvind's rise to fame when he had started a campaign movement to block the water privatization of Delhi that was recommended by the World Bank at the time when you were in the World Bank. So you were the enemy at that time.
I know that. I was very much there.
So what do you think? It was a good idea or a bad idea?
I think it was a great idea. I want to be able to say to my son and to his generation कि देश को आगे ले जाने के लिए जो करने की जरूरत थी हमने करा.
Just make sure they want to stay in Delhi till then, because the air has to be clean enough for us to want to
We
live
will
there.
clean the air of Delhi. We will. हम ही कर पाएंगे और शायद कोई नहीं कर पाएगा इस काम को भी.
फ्री में इतना ही मिलेगा. To watch the full unedited interview, you have to subscribe to News Laundry and pay to keep news free. Because we don't run advertising. All our money comes from subscribers like you. And that is how public service journalism is paid for. All the studio lights, the cameras, all that you see on our website, it all comes from subscribers. So do subscribe, click on the subscription link, watch all the interviews unedited, and pay for public interest journalism.